Have you ever felt the call to reconnect with the rhythms of nature, to reclaim your spirit, and to embrace your true essence? Join us at the She Who Remembers Soul Spa Equinox Retreat, where the ancient redwoods stand as silent witnesses to your journey of self-discovery. Over 3 transformative days, immerse yourself in experiences designed to awaken your senses and ground your spirit. Discover the sacredness of healing herbs and the power of food as medicine, nurturing your body and soul in harmony with the land. As you create your own spirit doll, embark on a journey to heal your inner child, reclaiming lost parts of yourself in a sanctuary of peace. Nestled in the heart of vacation wonderland, Monte Rio, California. Stella Maris Soul Spa offers a sanctuary where the whispers of the wild and the wisdom of the redwoods guide you back to your essence. With personalized treatments tailored to your journey, embrace healing from the river's breath and the ocean's breeze. Move with ease and grace, understanding that this spiritual journey deepens your senses and empowers you to own your vibrant spirit. 3 sessions await you. Choose the path that calls to your soul. Spaces are limited. Answer the call to reconnect and reclaim your essence. Learn more at ownyourdreamsacademy.com or contact Milli Cannata at 707-477-7839 to book your retreat today. Own your dreams.